Evan's first attempt having cereal. Evan?
Maybe crying isn't a good way to start. What's in there?
Dad shut you up.
What's in there? What's in there, honey? Want to try some more?
Can you have some more, buddy?
Want to try some more?
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Want to try some more?
You like it?
What is that? What is that? You only gonna eat it with your pacifier? Huh? Want to try some more? Uh-oh. What is
It's
that?
okay. It's okay.
It's kind of yummy. Some more? You're making a sloppy mess. You're making a sloppy mess. What do you think? Want more? Why is Mommy making you so messy? Maybe that's the trick. Well, now what? Want to try it again? What do you think? Want to try some more?
Yummy, yummy.
What is that on your tongue? What is that? You starting to like it?
Oh, it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
It's in your tummy. Do you feel it in your tummy? You gotta swallow that. Oh, what's that? It's not so bad, huh? Want to try some more? That's not so bad. Uh-oh. You're making a sloppy mess. Good job. Do you like it? You want some more? Want to try some more? What do you think? What do you think? Ready? Want to try some more? He looks like he's looking at you to save him. Do you want Daddy to save you from this? What? What is going on? What is this weird stuff? it yummy? No. You want to try it? Want to try some more? Want to try some more? No. Just a little. Is it a smile? What is this? Is it yummy? Oh. Good boy, you're eating so good. Yeah. Oh, is there a lizard? Is there a lizard? Want to try some more? Oh. Sometimes you like it, sometimes you don't. Yeah? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Want to try another bite? Well, it can't be that bad. Want to try some more? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't need your help. Here you go. Oh, oh. Oh, you're so big.
His feet wiggling.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah. You're getting the hang of it. You're getting the hang of it. Yeah. Want to try another one? You're almost done. You're almost done. 1 whole tablespoon. Ready?
Somebody save me!
I hope you start to stop making those faces. Ooh, yuck. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's such a bad face. It's such a yucky face. Is it hitting your belly? Is it hitting your belly? Are we done?
Good boy. You finished.
Yay, honey. Yay!
Good job.
You're too cute. Yeah.